Tired of the same old takeout? Imagine if you could whip up a homemade dish that's fresher, healthier, and way more delicious than your favorite takeout. Today, we're making chili garlic prawns, juicy prawns coated in a sweet and spicy sauce infused with the irresistible aroma of garlic and ginger. The best part? You can easily make this at home with minimal effort. Ready to prove that homemade cooking can beat restaurant meals? Let's dive in. In this recipe, we need 300 grams of shrimp. Peel and devein the shrimp, then rinse them under running water. After rinsing the shrimp in running water, add some salt, mix it well, and set it aside. Finely chop 3 cloves of garlic . And grate enough ginger to yield 1.5 tablespoons. Chop some green onion, separating the white and green parts. Take 1 red chili, remove the seeds and slice it lengthwise. Heat oil in a large skillet over high heat. Sear the shrimp on each side for a few minutes until golden brown, then set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And saute the chopped garlic until fragrant. Next, add the grated ginger and the white parts of the green onion. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Stir until aromatic. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 100 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil. Then, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of chili sauce. Mix it well and cook until it thickens. Season with salt, mushroom powder, and black pepper to taste. Return the cooked shrimp to the pan, tossing them in the sauce until evenly coated. Add the sliced red chili and the green parts of the green onion for extra flavor and color. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, stir everything together. For a finishing touch, squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top and garnish with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Voila! You've got a restaurant-worthy Asian chili garlic shrimp that's surprisingly easy to make at home. For more delicious and simple recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Until next time, happy cooking!